Okay, so here for style, let's go ahead with the same style. So we're just going to use styles.smart like that. Okay, so it's going to be like that. Right after that, we're done with this part. Right after that, we want to go ahead and work right underneath this additives and topping. Okay, so we can close the flat list. We want to get this title from here and we need to paste it here. Let's format the code a little. We need to change this and we are going to say preferences. So preferences come in play when someone is ordering something, right? If they order something, they can write some additional stuff. Like if you have this, put this, or some instructions, like how do they want their order to be processed, something like that. Okay. That's why we are going to have preferences here. Okay. So for preferences, we're going to have a text input, but we're going to wrap our text input inside of a view. So we're going to have a view first, and we need to give our view a style. So here we're going to access styles, and we're going to have input. Okay. We can just call it input either way. It's okay. We don't have to go overboard. Okay, so for our input, we're going to have a border color. So for the border color, we're going to have colors dot primary one. Okay, here we need a semicolon. Colors dot primary one. So since we have a border color, we need the border width. So for the border width, we're going to go with 1. Background color, not border curve, but background color. For background color, we're going to go with colors.offwhite. Do we have off-white? Yes, we do. We're going to go with an off-white color. For the height, we're going to give it a 50, not a 5, but a 50. For the border radius, we're going to give it a border radius of 8. So for this one, we're going to require a padding horizontal. So for the padding horizontal, we're going to give it a 12. And we're going to align whatever we're going to put inside of our view in the center. Okay, like that. So that's going to be our input field. So we need to our input field wrapper. So we need to have our input inside. So that's here. So we need text input, and we need to our text input is a class component. So the first thing that we're going to require in our text input is going to be the placeholder. So our placeholder, we're just going to say add specific instructions. Okay, let's go with instructions here. Our value is going to be a preference. After that, we're going to have on text change. On change text, we're going to get the value here, and we're going to go ahead and set preferences. We're setting preference to the value. Okay, so that's it. Auto capitalize is going to be false, like that. Autocorrect is also going to be false. All right, and style, we're going to have flex, and our flex is going to be 1. Auto capitalize is supposed to be none. Okay, so we need to put this thing right to, we need to push the text to the beginning, not to the center. Okay, let me have a trick, flex direction. So for flex direction, let's just have a row. Okay, that would work. So here we can put our input. So everything is working fine.